8 effective exercises that give you a flat belly in just 30 days. One of the best ways to reduce your risk of getting heart disease is to focus on your abs. At least scientists suggest so. According to recent studies, keeping your waist little has a positive effect not only on your mood and appearance, it can actually protect your health. Here at Brightside, we gathered the top 8 flat belly exercises that you can do from the comfort of your own home in just 30 days. Each day you will need only 10 minutes of your time to perform these exercises, and you will see the amazing results during your first week. Your daily routine should start with 4 exercises of your choice. Each one should be done for the amount of time stated with a 10-second break in between. Be sure to repeat 2 times during each session. The rectus abdominis. When people generally think of a six-pack, this is the muscle that they are talking about. The rectus abdominis is positioned between the ribs and the pubic bone at the front of the pelvis. This muscle can be worked out in 2 different ways.
By bringing the chest towards the pelvis. By bringing the pelvis towards the chest. 1. Crunches, 15 times. Crunches are a classic core exercise for defining the abdominal muscles and are ideal for toning the rectus abdominis and oblique muscles. Exercise technique: lie on your back on the floor or on a comfortable mat. Bend your knees. Lift your shoulders toward the ceiling using your abdominal muscles and pause at the peak. 2. Double leg reach, 10 times. The double leg reach is a very effective abdominal exercise, working both the upper and lower abdominals. Exercise technique: lie on your back with your legs stretched and your arms facing upward. Lift your feet back off the ground at a 45-degree angle using your abdominal muscles and pause at the peak. Then slowly lie back down, keeping your arms and legs stretched. 3. Arm plank with knee dip, 15 times. This exercise works not only your abdominals, but also your arms, glutes, shoulders, and legs. Exercise technique: position yourself in the plank position with your weight relying on your hands. Then bend your left knee forward toward your waist, curl it, and hold it for a few seconds. Pull your leg back and repeat it again with the right one. 4. Roll-ups, 10 times. Roll-ups strengthen the abdominals while increasing flexibility of the spine. Exercise technique: lie on your back with both your arms and legs stretched. Lift arms up and forward and use your abs to slowly roll up to a sitting position. Squeeze your abs again and slowly lower down to the starting position.
5. Plank hip dips, 20 times. Plank hip dips are ideal for beginners trying to strengthen the abdominals. Exercise technique: begin in a push-up position with your elbows on the ground while resting on your forearms. Keep your arms at a 90-degree angle. Arch your back out slightly. Raise your glutes toward the ceiling, squeezing your abs tightly to close the distance between your ribcage and hips. Lower back down to the starting position. 6. Boat pose aka Navasana, 1 time. Navasana strengthens the abdominal muscles, the legs, and the lower back. Exercise technique: sit with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Lean back slightly and lift your feet off the floor. Extend your arms straight out in front of you. Keep your knees straight for 30 seconds to 1 minute with your body weight relying on your abdominal muscles. 7. Windshield, 10 times. This exercise is ideal for strengthening your entire body and should be done toward the end of your workout. Exercise technique: lie on your back with your knees stretched and your legs straight up. Straighten your arms by your sides. Scoop out your lower abs. Drop your legs slowly to one side. Repeat with the opposite side. 8. Mountain climbers, 15 times. The mountain climber is an advanced, high-intensity exercise that will get your heart rate up. It's perfect to incorporate into your daily routine for some cardio. Exercise technique: get into a plank position, on your hands and toes. Position your hands at about shoulder width apart from each other. Then, pull the right knee into your chest as far as you can. Switch and do the same thing with your other knee, and remember to keep your hips down. These exercises are ideal for a home workout. You do not need any special equipment to perform them, just your own body and your own will. Please feel free to share with us in the comments which exercise is your favorite and which one you think has helped you the most. Have a happy workout.